Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here. We're currently live on the Wildwood Boardwalk and decided to give you guys a little walk. It's a little windy today, but it is still a beautiful day. There's no clouds in the sky. The sun is out without the wind. I would say maybe not a beach day, definitely like a porch patio kind of day, but a decent amount of stuff open today. Here's the hot spot. It's definitely a hoodie day, and they got a lot of hoodies out here. There's actually a decent amount of folks on the boardwalk. And a lot of things actually open. Other hotspots open over here. Coors Brothers. Chicken Pizza's open. There's Wally's, paintballing, games, Coors. Manners Arcade is open, but Manners Pier is not open yet. That's on April 29th. For those who know, I always beat my wife in skee ball. I'm joking. Oh, that's so bad. Why would you? Oh my gosh.
You made a little pause.
I made a little pause. Yeah, I got you. I mean, look, guys. There's a lot of people up here, even though the rides are closed. Now, there are games open. I'll do a tour on the pier. Why not? Huh?
Why? It's good pizza. No, not here.
This Curly Fries is now open for the season as of yesterday. Look, there's a lot of people up on the boardwalk, right?
Who's next? Who's ready? We've got a winner every race. We've got a prize every single time. Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready to play? Who's
I guess this is a nice pre-season tour of Manners Pier for you guys. I didn't realize it was open this far. Unplanned, yes.
There's a lot of unplanned things today.
Yeah, a lot of unplanned things today. We saw that ship that pretty much made its way to the beach.
Thank God no one was injured.
Yeah, no one was injured. But this is our first time on this pier this year.
Yes, since last season.
Since last season.
Still cold, but hey, we feel the summer coming. And it's closed back there.
Yeah, it's closed over here, guys. The Maury store has nothing in it at the moment.
They're working on a few projects back there.
Yeah, look at their main boardwalk. You can smell the curly fries from here. Well, that was a nice unexpected tour. So it's a Manners Pier pre-season tour. Curly fry smells great, guys. Woo! What do you guys put on your curly fries? Are you guys vinegar like us? Are you honey mustard like me? I put malt vinegar on mine. You guys do ketchup. They used to do like a nice alloy. Woo! Where's this wind coming from?
And they're off. Squeeze those triggers, do not stop. Your winner is the one to reach the top. Round two, and the battle of the beach. The big prize is rapid fire.
Woo! It's funny. It almost looks like they still have the line set up on the beach from when they did. It almost looks like they're getting it almost ready for whatchamacallit, Beerfront Music Country Festival. Remember how they had this whole section like crossed off? Even that's still a while from now. All right, guys, we're gonna make a U-turn going back the other way. Now today, Sarah says hi to Joey's wife.
Hi, Sarah.
So today we talked about that ship that ran aground in North Wildwood. We did a whole video and put it on our YouTube channel at the Wildwood Video Archive. I put that on about 40 minutes ago. It's nice to see so many people down here. It was actually a lot crowded a little bit earlier today because we're down in North Wildwood and now we're here in Wildwood. But can you do a view of the new boardwalk? Yeah, actually, I put a video up yesterday and earlier today. Sarah says, where are the tram cars? Not for another month. Another month and we'll be running on here. Remember, at this moment, they can't run because the middle section is closed off. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you for joining me. Be sure to follow me on the Wildwood Video Archive YouTube channel as we put new videos on twice a week for you. And I just put up a video about that ship that ran aground, so you can check that out. But no, the ride's open. Nope, the ride's open on the 29th. But anyway, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you guys later. We'll see you on the beach.